What's going on, guys? It's your man Kev here. Oh, I gotta tell you, it has been a doozy today. Last night I got into a trade on gold. Let me see if I have it here. This is it right here. Okay. I came in on the 4 hour, okay, assuming that this was gonna keep on going down. Um, and it did not. But I held it. I held it because it didn't break. Let me see if I can go here. Uh, okay, so let me see if it was the 1 hour. The 1 hour, the green. All right, 15 minutes. Okay. All right. So I had this green line here as, let's say, midway point of saying, all right, it should pull back, 50%. But this looks a little bit more than 50%, so I think I was looking at another time frame. So regardless of the fact, um, I was in deep. I I was losing my shirt, like 60 some more dollars when it was like right about here. And I only had 90 in there. So that's how bad. So I was like, you know what? Whatever. I'll let it roll. I'll just add another 50. So I just held it, right? And and then it took a turn. Come what time? What time was that? Like 7:30-ish? Yeah, I believe it was about 7:30-ish. It took a turn. All right. And this, let me see. What was I on a 5 minute? Well, regardless of the time frame, it took a turn and it started going down, 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 down. I think I could have held it because I got out somewhere around here, right? I'm like, you know what? I'm back in the green. It's a tad bit more, a little bit of profit. Let me just go ahead and close it, right? But it looks like I could have held it for down here, but I don't care. I was in a hole like $60, so better a tiny bit of profit than to be in a hole like freaking $60. But anyway, um, so it is 9:20 right now. Gold is acting funny. It's acting real funny. Um, I can't. I just can't figure out gold right now. Uh, can't figure it out. I mean, if you look at it, all right, we are. It's still in a uptrend here, but you got these highs, and you got the low, and then you got a lower high and a lower low. So it's just a waiting game with gold. So let's get out of there. Go to US30. Let's go to the 15. Let's take a bird's eye view of what this looks like. Okay. I think this setup is looking real good. Let me open let me open my personal account. Let me mark this up here. I think this is pretty interesting right here. And right in here. Boom. All right. And all right, it's consolidating. Okay, because what makes me say that is because here is our downtrend right here. Here's the downtrend, which it already has done. It already has done the down thing. 4 hour. 4 hour. We're going down, pull back, down, pull back, right? So it's lower highs, Yeah, low highs. So basically, if it breaks that structure, it's going to continue downward, continue downward. That's what it's looking like to me. Okay. Daily, daily is looking red. 1 hour, got that consolidating thing going on there. And this here looks like you can drag that all the way across here, all the way across the pike. So it did this on Friday at 9. It came down to here. So let's mark that as some interest there, and let's see, let's mark that high right there. Okay. So those are the areas where you can take profits. All right, so back down to the 15. All right. That is what we're looking at. I'm gonna get rid of this. Don't need that. This is what we're working with. Let me switch you over to US30. Okay. What does the 2 minute look like? That's the 2 minute. That's the 2 minute. Man, these. Okay. Okay. All right, that's the 2 minute. Okay. And it is 924. Let me bring up my. Okay, I'm back. All right. All right, so I have everything on the 2 minute right now. Everything's on the 2 minute. So it looks like we have a little bit of structure right here, which is failing to go up higher, and it's also failing to go this high. So it failed to go this high first, and now it's failing to go up this high. Okay. I think I'm looking for maybe 650. 650 on that, and I'm in the hole 50 bucks on my prop account. It is 927. It's looking like that's pulling up a little bit. Nine 28. 928. It's not going. Is it going higher? Let's see if it goes higher than that last full big red candle right here. Okay. All right. All right. It's a big jump up there. Let's see. It's 929. Let's see where we're headed. I'm gonna have to set the stop loss for the prop firm account. Okay. Still got resistance there, like right in here. All right, so we got a big candle there, candle there. Okay. Set stop loss. Right there. On. Man, doing freaking what you call it is hard. Need 7. Got 7. Where's it going? It's going up there. All right, I'm closing out my personal account, but I missed my uh, prop account because I got to set the stop loss. So if it comes back down, okay, maybe because I've seen this before, it'll come all the way back down and then it'll do it again. So perhaps I can get ready for that. Uh, so now I'm at 107, 107, 105. So I can shoot for maybe $7 or $8 tomorrow. Let's see, how much did I get on that trade right there? I got $13.04. So that was a good one. That was very good, very good. All right, let me close that. Now I am on my prop firm account. Seems to be coming back down. You had resistance here, 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 and it's built higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. And it kind of it took off like right in here. I couldn't move fast enough. Yeah, this part right here, I don't know how to trade this, so I can't really mess around with that. Because I have no strategy for that. Error. My strategy, my strategy already played out within the first 5 minutes. All right, there is another, let me see something here. Okay, there's a 5 minute one. So, all right, you guys already seen this. So I'm gonna clear this chart. No, it's NAS. Yeah, NAS. Okay, NAS. There's one for NAS. Okay, so basically, uh, this is 8:45. So make that a little bit bigger. Let's see, that's good right there. Let's see if it comes back down here. Maybe it'll continue to go upward. No more trading overnight, Kev. All right. I'm going to put that in the recording. No more trading overnight. Just 9:30. Just 9:30 because I almost lost like my whole freaking account. I'm just looking at the 30 over here on this other screen on a 2 minute chart. All right, well, that's going to be it for this recording. may still trade today. So, but the main recording I already done. So let me show you what I'm looking at, the US30. This is what I'm looking at. Like we did this spike, right? And then we did this large pullback. Um, but basically it's continuing. I mean, like I did say, I said it's probably you know, sometimes it comes down and the one candle shoots back up. But I guess there's some sellers up here. So they were able to push it back down. But the buyers are still in effect, still pushing it up higher. Where did those sellers come from? Right here. So there were sellers sitting here at this level right here, which pushed it back down. But I'm not going to get into this. I'm going to let that one go. Um, but that's it for today. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's Wednesday, so I won't be in front of my computer tomorrow. I'm probably going to use my laptop. And if I can record from my phone, I'll record from my phone. So on that note, have a good day. Bye.